Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and today we are going to talk about one more amazing off-campus opportunity, and this time the hiring is coming from JADAS Associates. And honestly, this opportunity is looking really good for students who are interested in data engineering, SQL, Python, cloud and analytics related roles. And in this video we'll cover everything that you need to know about this hiring, so make sure you watch this video till the end because there are some important points that many students usually miss while applying. And before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe because daily we cover off-campus opportunities, latest hiring updates, internships, walking drives. So let's start the video with company overview. So the company is JADAS Associates. JADAS is a very well-known global management consulting and technology company, and the role is data engineer, and the work location mentioned are Pune and Gurgaon. Company is following a hybrid work model, which means some days you may work from home and some days from office depending on the project requirements. And now let's discuss eligibility criteria because this is the most important section. So the company is looking for candidates with bachelor's or master's degree in fields like computer science, business analytics, MIS or related technical fields. And they have clearly mentioned academic excellence. So students with good academic records will definitely get an advantage here. And coming to experience, they mention 0 to 3 years of experience. So freshers are completely eligible for this opportunity. Most probably 2024 batch, 2025 batch and 2026 graduating students can apply depending on their degree completion timeline and internship availability. So definitely check the application form carefully before applying. And now let's talk about the required skills. So the first important skill is SQL and RDBMS concept. So if you know database concepts, joins, queries, normalization and basic SQL practice, that will help a lot. And second important skill is Python programming. And third, they are expecting analytical and problem solving skills. So DSA basic, logical thinking and problem solving approach are important. And they have also mentioned algorithms and data structures, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure or GCP, big data concepts and productivity tools and AI assisted tools. So overall, this hiring is best suited for students preparing for data engineering, data analytics, software development and cloud related roles. And now let's understand what exactly you work will be in this role. So basically you'll work with internal teams and clients to develop technology solutions. You may work on data handling, technical implementations, feature development, problem solving, business requirement analysis, testing and development activities. So you will also collaborate with the development teams and participate in client projects. So communication skill will also matter here. And many students ask about salary. So the company hasn't officially mentioned the package in the job description, but JDS generally offers a very competitive salary for technological roles. Based on previous trends, students can expect a good package compared to standard fresher opportunities in the market. And now let's discuss the selection process. So most probably the process may include, first of all, resume shortlisting because all the off-campus opportunities are purely based on resume shortlisting. Then online assessment, technical interview, HR discussion. And for preparation, practice SQL, practice Python, practice DSA, DBMS project mentioned in the resume, and prepare some HR related questions. And one more important thing, communication skills are very important for this role. So while giving interviews, focus on confidence and clarity while speaking. And to apply, you just have to visit the description box. There is a link to apply. and this is their career page. Here every information is given. If you have any doubt, you can check here. And to apply, you just have to click on this apply button, and then you have to fill your some basic things. First you have to upload your resume and then fill basic information. And I'll highly recommend you to apply as early as possible, because good companies usually close applications quickly, and they haven't mentioned any last date, and we don't know how long this opportunity is going to be live. So apply as early as you can, and I'll provide the official application link in the description box. So go and apply fast. And if you like this video, then subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.